Hello everyone, good evening, this is Jack, of course. And this road is quite crowded, overcrowded. There's a lot of people. Today I'm going to focus on the luxury brands here, since this is the heart of Shanghai, and there's a lot of famous brands and boutiques. Now let's go and check it. The first one is the bank. So this is number one bank in the world. ICBC. Yeah, I think it's number one or number two, number three. Anyway, it's the top one. A lot of Chinese people store their assets, their money in this bank. And, okay, what about that one? Guys, I hope you give me a like if you are here. Wow, Massimo Dutti. Massimo Dutti. What are they selling here? A lot of things are expensive. Not for the destitute people. For the opulent people. For the wealthy guys, ladies and gentlemen. And, wow, look at the logo. Are selling some classy watches, and one costs you an arm and a leg. I think cost everyone an arm and a leg. Look at that logo. What about that logo? The Tag Heuer, something like a German. Look at that logo. What about that one? Glass. Oh my god. It's pretty hard to pronounce it. Pronounce it. It's pretty hard. The opposite is under the remodeling, and some luxury stuff is on the way. Zelis. Yeah, I just stopped for a while, and you can see the logo, and then you can search for them. If you are in Shanghai, you are looking for some luxury stuff, come here directly. It's pretty nice. Look at the logo again. Yeah. MCM. That one is MCM. Omega. Okay. It's a Swiss watch brand. Boutique. Omega Boutique. That one is long, the logo. The name is pretty long. Willerdorf. Oh, Rolex. Rolex. Oh, Rolex. Tudor. Tudor or something like that. It's a watch brand too. What about that one? Watches. There's a lot of different watches. I think the cell phone has replaced some functions of equipment like watches, timer, TV, right? Newspaper. So the cell phone's being has changed a lot. So everything can be done on a cell phone. You can order something there, you can pay, you can make a photo, you can check your time, you can set your time, everything can be done. But for a businessman, if you are a tycoon, I think it's a necessity to have a luxury watch. That is your social status. Your social status decides a beautiful watch, a swanky watch. It's a symbol of your social status. What's that? It's also a watch brand. Watch brands, a lot of watches. IWC. IWC. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on. The light is red. I have to wait here for a while. It's pretty nice to take a walk around here. It's very pleasant, very enjoyable. Wow, let's look at the e-bikes, ladies and gentlemen. The e-bikes are very fast. Everyone's driving an e-bike. Yeah, the time is being wasted in this way, but anyway, you can check the traffic flow in this way, and it's quite different from the genre of this video. So I focus on the brands, but now you can check the traffic. The traffic is a little bit heavy. We have to wait for a second. Okay, 19. That is a shopping mall, a famous one. Okay, let's go. It's green. Now it's totally green. There's a lot of sharing bikes. It's easy to bike here. It's a bike-friendly city. LV over there, LV. It's very expensive. LV handbags, LV purses. LV over there. Where's Gucci? Gucci, I think. Wow, you can feel the atmosphere of Christmas here. My God, there's a lot of decorations of Christmas. Incredible. There's a Christmas tree. Is that an artificial one? So cool. It's dope. Wow, we are going to celebrate the Western Festival. Yeah, this year, I think, look at that tree. It's huge. D-I-O-R over there. Deer. Deer. I don't know how to utter it. Oh, it's very nice. Beautiful here. Very nice here. I think I've seen Gucci last time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I just can't find it, but it's pretty nice. LV backlit posters. So LV regards Guilin scenery as the background of the poster. It's very nice. Guilin is so famous in China. There's a lot of craggy mountains. The mountains are so special. Everyone likes that city. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, everyone. Can't find it. Okay, anyway, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Bye.